Iyak si Mao-Ning sa balitang ito. Grabe, tapang ni Trump, sabay na kinalaban ang Russia at China. At posible pa tong mauwi sa malaking gulo. Painit din kasi ng painit ang tensyon sa pagitan ni Trump laban kay Xi at Putin. Tara, pag-usapan natin to. Iyak nga si Mao-Ning sa blockade na ginawa ng Amerika. Pero si US Secretary of State Marco Rubio, walang pake sa Russia at pinalagan pa ang pahayag ng China. Oil tanker na may kargang tune-tuneladang langis na dadalhin dapat sa China at Russia, hinarang ng Amerika sa magkahiwalay na operasyon. Sa kabila kasi ng pagbabanta ni Trump, tuloy pa rin ang illegal na transaksyon, kaya ang Amerika umaksyon eh. Ito namang si Mao-Ning, inakusahan ng Amerika na bully. Wow, nagmula pa talaga sa bibig mo yan, Mao-Ning, ha?
The use of force against Venezuela and demanded that America First be applied when Venezuela disposes of its own oil resources. This is a typical act of bullying, a serious violation of international law, and a grave infringement on Venezuela's sovereignty that also severely undermines the rights of Venezuelan people. The United States has long imposed illegal unilateral sanctions on Venezuela's oil sector and has recently brazenly used force against Venezuela, dealing a severe blow to the country's economic and social order, and also threatening the stability of global production and supply chains. China has already issued strong condemnation in this regard. I would like to reiterate that cooperation between China and Venezuela is a cooperation between sovereign states and is protected by international law and laws of both countries.
Dinepensahan naman ni Marco Rubio ang pagharang sa oil na papunta ng China. Dapat hindi daw sa korupsyon ni Maduro at Xi Jinping na pupunta ang kita dito. Si Maduro lang ang yumayaman, kawawa ang kanya mga kababayan. Dapat daw ang makinabang sa oil ay mga Venezuelan, hindi ang China.
We are in the midst right now and in fact about to execute on a deal to take all the oil. They have oil that is stuck in Venezuela. They can't move it because of our quarantine and because it's sanctioned. We are going to take between 30 and 50 million barrels of oil. We're going to sell it in the marketplace at market rates, not at the discounts Venezuela was getting. That money will then be handled in such a way that we will control how it is dispersed in a way that benefits the Venezuelan people, not corruption, not the regime. So we have a lot of leverage to move on the stabilization front.
Posibleng mauwi to sa malaking gulo pag napikon nga ang China at Russia. Pati kasi si Putin direktang kinakalaban na ni Trump. Inaresto kasi ng US Coast Guard ang Russian flag oil tanker kahit escorted pa to ng Russian submarine. Grabe, tapang ng Amerika ano? Hindi naman itinatanggihan ng US Press Secretary. Tulad kasi ng sa China, Venezuela rin ang nagsusupply sa Russia ng oil at ginagamit to sa giyera. Wala pang inilalabas na pahayag si Putin. Pero, posibleng malaking gulo talaga to pag lumalalalo ang tensyon.
The U.S. seized a tanker recently. Russia specifically asked the United States not to seize that tanker. Does this action risk a larger conflict with Russia?
I believe you're referring to the Bella 1 tanker that was seized this morning. The Department of Justice and the Department of Homeland Security, in coordination with the Department of War, did announce that seizure this morning for violations of U.S. sanctions. I've spoken about the enforcement of our sanctions policy at the podium prior to the new year, and this administration is going to fully enforce the sanction policy of the United States. The vessel this morning was seized in the North Atlantic pursuant to a warrant issued by a U.S. federal court after being tracked. And this was a Venezuelan shadow fleet vessel that has transported sanctioned oil. And the United States of America, under this president, is not going to tolerate that.
Kayo, sa tingin nyo, papalag si Xi Jinping at Vladimir Putin kay US President Donald Trump? May bayag na kaya sila para lumaban sa Amerika? Ano sa palagay nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salubin.